Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Grab a front loader with a bucket or a shovel to speed pickup. Move straight to nearby mud piles by fields or rivers. Those are the primary dirt sources. Once at the pile, scoop continuously until your bucket or inventory is nearly full, then transfer into a tipper or pallet for transport. Make sure to keep a clear path back to your farm and avoid driving through crops. Damaging them wastes time and money. Once done with the first loads, optimize. Switch to a tractor with loader arms and attach a larger bucket or pallet to double pickup efficiency. Plan a circular route between source and storage to load 80 to 100% capacity before each return trip. This reduces travel time. Drive steady and avoid sudden turns, dirt spills on slopes. If you have workers, hire one for continuous loading while you drive. Finish by unloading into your designated soil storage or directly into a field spreader if you plan to apply soil immediately. Make sure to compact or mix the dirt when mods require it. Check the tool settings for spread rate. If dirt seems to vanish or not register, troubleshoot. First, confirm no conflicting mods or workshop items, then enable stricter physics or reset vehicle. Finally, reload the save. These steps fix most loss or display issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.